If you're looking for a memory card that won't quit, SanDisk's high-endurance cards offer up to 120,000 hours of recording time, over 13 years on the 256GB model. That means you can record and re-record non-stop without worrying about wear and tear, especially for full HD video. Smaller capacities offer plenty too, with 60,000 hours on 128GB and 15,000 hours on 32GB models. Designed for real-world challenges, these cards are built to endure harsh conditions. They're temperature-proof, waterproof, shock-proof, and even X-ray proof, ensuring your data stays intact whether it's in your home security camera or dashcam. For full details on limitations, the SanDisk Proof website has all the specifics. With capacities up to 256GB, you can store more footage from your security or dash cameras without constantly swapping cards. Keep in mind, 1 GB equals 1 billion byte, so actual user storage is slightly less. Still, these cards provide plenty of space to save hours of video, so you won't miss a moment. SanDisk's cards support full HD and 4K video recording thanks to their Class 10, U3, and V30 speed ratings. These standards ensure smooth, real-time video capture on compatible devices. The V30 rating guarantees a sustained write speed of 30 megabytes per second, which is critical for high-quality footage without interruptions. Backing up their durability, the 256GB model comes with a 15-year limited manufacturer warranty. That's a strong vote of confidence in the card's longevity and performance. It's worth checking SanDisk's official site for warranty details and additional information on video speed classes. Users across the United States have praised these cards for lasting far longer than typical memory cards. One reviewer shared how their security cameras have run for years without a single card failure, a testament to SanDisk's reliability. If you want peace of mind for your video storage, these cards deliver. Whether you're securing your home or capturing every drive, SanDisk's high-endurance memory cards provide dependable, long-lasting storage. They handle the toughest environments and offer ample capacity with consistent speed, so your footage is safe and accessible when you need it. If that's you, someone who needs reliable video storage without constant hassle, SanDisk's high-endurance cards are worth a look. Try one when you're ready to upgrade your security or dashcam setup and experience storage you can count on.